Out here, promises mean something. They are more than just words. They are proven with actions. Promises form your expectations. They define who you are. A promise can be unspoken or said out loud. It's the basis for a lasting relationship. Brock Grain Systems recognizes the importance of a promise. That's why we always put your grain business first. With durable grain storage, handling, drying and conditioning, and structural systems that provide long-lasting service. With manufacturing processes that provide accuracy and easy installation. And with dealer service and support that are second to none. That's OneBrock. That's OnePromise. Providing many ways to improve your business, like streamlined grain storage operations, using Brock components that are pre-engineered to work seamlessly with each other, ensuring installation simplicity and trouble-free performance. Protecting the quality and value of your grain with gentle handling equipment, like Brock Grain Drive Series chain conveyors and even flow dryer unload systems. Delivering a better bottom line with Brock innovations, like the IntuiDry Control and True Grain Moisture Sensor System, to help you increase grain drying accuracy and efficiency. Your Brock dealer is there when you need them most, providing installation expertise and service support to keep your grain system running strong, giving you confidence every day. Out here, promises mean business. OneBrock, OnePromise.